it wasn't easy for them, a labouring job. I fed them obviously they worked really well. My ripe old age, there's no way I was going to do that. The amazing thing was that I think this is the most important thing for It's been a job that we've been saying we must get this done. So once I've made the decision, I then had to think about, well, who's going to do the job? Another firm obviously gave me an estimate. And as it happened, my daughter Leslie, who also lives in Nottingham, Steve had done some work for her, and they were delighted with it. So when Steve came, he brought along his drone. So he went to have a look at the state of the roof, particularly the flat roofs. So we had a chat about that and so on. And he said I'd have a team of 2, and he said we won't be doing your job and then halfway through going somewhere else. So I said good, and so that's what he did, and it worked like a dream. I'd cleaned it all up perfectly, Steve he'd already explained to me what they would do. So we had the 2 young chaps who came, well, not so young, well, they were young compared with me, who came along. They worked really well. They were here before 8 o'clock in the morning. The amazing thing was that they worked right through. They would clear up every day because it took a long time. I really felt for them. Guys were very friendly, very polite, worked hard, and did an excellent job. It was really, really first class. I think this is the most important thing for builders, that they don't leave the place in a great mess. So all in all, both jobs, yes, Steve did an excellent job. That's all I can say. Any of my friends, relatives said, you know a builder? Well, I do that with confidence, no doubt about it. And Steve's attention to the job, he wasn't like an absent landlord. He would ring me to say, is everything going okay? He'd come round and check their work, Both Claire and Leslie, my daughters, they've seen it. And, it was amazing, wonderful. Yeah, it really was. And people have commented and said, hey, your roof looks good. Or, if they come into the back garden, they see that, it's enhanced it now. So if ever I've got any more building work to do, I wouldn't have any hesitation at contacting. Steve did an excellent job.